ready for GMO 2.0? If you're not, you better get ready fast because some of it's already here. And I'm not just talking about herbicide-resistant corn and soy, but we're talking about lab-grown beef, lab-grown poultry, lab-grown fish, lab-grown pork, animal-free egg whites via bioengineered yeast. They're using CRISPR technology to make things like lab-made vanilla flavor. Even stevia is created through reprogrammed yeast fermentation. Now, they're calling it GMO 2.0 for a reason, because they want to get through the 2016 labeling law, which allows for GMO products to not be identified because our USDA and FDA say that it's safe. There's been no long-term safety testing on any of those things, no independent third-party analysis, and no one can tell you whether it's safe. The problem now is a whole new category called synthetic biology, because they're creating things out of the blue, not just inserting a gene into a natural food. This is a whole new category of untested science being thrust upon the public without their consent or knowledge. The worst thing is that you'll have no way of knowing whether you're buying something that is genetically engineered or what I would call synthetic biology, which is the new term, which kind of oxymoron to begin with, right? If it's synthetic, then it's not biological, and if it's biological, it's not synthetic. My advice is to look for the old-fashioned label of organic. Still, you can count on, if it's labeled organic, it's not either GMO or synthetic biology. And there is that separate organization, the Non-GMO Project Verified, and it will have that same emblem you can look for, and I think you can trust it. It's a third party that does its own testing. They've approved tens of thousands of different foods, so look for Non-GMO Project Verification label.